Hey folks, Adam here. Today we have another Elite demonstration. This is for the Airdog. It's the X3. This is one of their premium air purifiers. One of the best air purifiers. The X3 and the X5, X3 and 5 are absolutely amazing. And this is just an Elite unit. So let's go ahead and talk about it and kick it off right about now. So to give you an idea, a look at the top of it, because I know you are going to want to see that. Let me make sure I don't tip anything over here. You can see the top, easy to use. Just scroll through the functions, power on and off, and you can put it on automatic. Now I am running this right now. I want you to listen closely. It is super silent. So if you don't need a jet engine going in the background, then this is gonna be for you. It works for over 200 square feet, I think about 225. I leave it in my studio because the studio is in an attic of a building. You know, we encased it in, we made it super quiet, but we're still an attic, lots of insulation, and I don't want a lot of dust. I don't want things in my throat. I don't want to lose my voice. I tend to lose my voice. So I got the best air purifier on the planet. The traditional HEPA filters have nothing on this. You can read the stats on the listing, but we're talking much smaller particles to get through here. Also, they're reusable, you can clean them, the filters themselves, you're gonna save money in the long run with buying a unit like this. There's a little light on the bottom, see if I can show you that without, again, knocking anything over. It's harder to see, we'll do an overlay. That will tell you the quality of your air. If it's green, you got good quality air. If it's yellow, red, you might need to run the purifier for a little bit. But Airdog makes the best air purifiers. There's really very few companies that are anywhere in their league. You're gonna wanna pick one up today. It's absolutely amazing. And yeah, sleek and sophisticated, understated, put it in the corner of the room, turn that bad boy up, put it on auto, and it's gonna keep your air clean, free of viruses, free of bacteria, free of dust, you're not gonna have to dust as much. When my mother-in-law, she had breathing conditions associated with her ALS and myasthenia gravis. She had muscle issues, and as her chest muscles and lungs started to fail, having that air purifier running nonstop in the house really helped to where she could breathe easier. It also helped me because I have cat allergies and she had cats, and it completely got rid of the cat allergies for me in the house, which is amazing. So if you have allergies, picking up a high quality air purifier may be a great decision for you. Go ahead and order today. Order with confidence. Pick it up through Amazon. Look at the reviews. Look at the ratings. They're all through the roof. You're going to love this thing. Order today. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. I do my best to only bring you good stuff. If the product doesn't meet Elite demonstration standards, these are our best products, then you won't see them on here. Airdog meets the qualifications to be an Elite product. So you're gonna see me talking about it. Order yours today, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios amigos.